click on Get. Click on Install.
Hey guys, welcome back to Yes or No Item Review. Today we're going to review Stealth Game Your Core. Let's unbox this thing and we'll show you what's inside.
Wow!
So there it is. So that's what it is, unboxing. We'll show you how it works.
When I measured Stealth, the length was about 22.5 inches and the width was about 24.5 inches wide. If your phone is about 6.5 inches in length and a little bit over 3 inches wide, your phone should fit in the Stealth. When I bought Stealth through their website, they emailed me two things. First, my receipt, and second, what I'm showing you right now, which is an instruction letter how to set it up. When I purchased Stealth, I bought them a complete library of extra games so I could show you guys. And at the end of every month, they provide a new game, which is pretty cool. The red box shows you how to set it up. If you have an iPhone, find the App Store app. If you have a Droid, find the app through Google Play Store. In this video, I'm using an iPhone 11, so I'll show you through the App Store. On the bottom right hand, click on the search icon, and you're going to type Stealth Fitness. And then you click search. The Stealth Fitness app will appear and click on Get. Click on Install and wait for it to load on your phone. And then you click Open. The phone will now take you to the app and allow Stealth Fitness to send you notifications. You are now inside the app. The app has two options, log in and sign up. You click on login if Stealth already provided you with an email just like you saw earlier. You click on sign up if you did not purchase the extra games. First I'll show you login and then I'll show you sign up. When you log in, use the username and password that Stealth gave you. Go back to the app and click on login. Type the email on top, password on the bottom, and Stealth allows you to create a new password. So I'll make one right now. And you now pick your time zone. And type your number if you want to get notified with new products. Click your gender and birth date, and after that you select your country and tell them where you purchased Stealth. To check out the games, click on Stealth Games and you'll see that there are only 2 free games if you did not purchase the extra library of games. As of today, they have 11 extra games for you to choose from if you decide to pay them. Let's check out each game right now.
Discovery, and the shuttle has cleared the tower. Discovery's 4 computers now have primary control of critical vehicle functions.
If you like those games, I'll show you how to get them. Click sign up, type your name, email, make up a password, select time zone, type your phone number, select gender, birth date, country, and where it was purchased. So the difference between signing up and logging in is that when you only sign up, the premium games are locked, as you can see. So if you're interested in buying all the games, click Try Stealth Premium. Once you click it, you'll see as of today that it costs $24.99 yearly, which breaks down to $2.08 per month. So why should you buy this? Well, first of all, because the games are fun. I think they're really fun to play. It motivates me to exercise, which I don't do a lot, as you can see. And the cool thing about it, I didn't show you this in the beginning, but you could actually perform challenges. So in the challenges, you can actually join a public challenge, you can join a private challenge, you can even make your own challenge, compete against each other. So that's pretty cool. That's another motivation. You know, you could also see like if you are going to be the best in the world, who's #1 right now. The global leader is this Wesley Wong guy right now, age 62. Wow, good for that guy. If I had to say anything bad about stealth, well, they make me realize that I'm very out of shape. But actually, I think that's a good thing because they made me want to exercise. Overall, this is a yes product for me. I love this product. Very good. I recommend it to people. Alright guys, if this video helped you, please consider liking and subscribing because it lets me know I'm helping you out. Also, let me know your opinion about this item in the comment section below if you like it or not. And if you want this specific item, I'll provide the link in the description section. Until then, I'll see you at the next item.